Hi, this is my new project. Today I'm gonna show you how I did on my right side, but this is the left one, the left headlight from my Mercedes-Benz 190e. Today I want to change this fog focus, or lens anyway. I want it to be more yellow. This one is more, let me see, this one is more bronze and I don't like it. I don't like the color. So we will try to do it best and at the end we'll see how it goes. Okay, when you want to put down the headlight glass, this cover here, you have to be very careful because there are 4 clips here, 1, 2, 3, and one is missing. It was already broken, and there are 4 clips on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to be very careful because before putting those clips over this piece of plastic here, you just need to hit them a little bit. So that means that when we are putting the glass out of the headlight, that those clips won't broke. So be very carefully and very gently with those plastic clips. You know, just take your time, don't rush, and after some 5 minutes it will take off very easily. You can do it with the normal hairdryer too, but I have this industrial one for my proposal uses, so it will do it. Just take your time. Just look, when they're hot, a little bit warm, they're going away very easily. Just look, a little push with the fingers here. So just hit it before putting down. Here it goes, easy. This one goes here, and there's one clip here, and it's off. So this lens I'm gonna repaint to be more yellow. This one looks okay. It's 32 years old, but it looks just like new. A little bit of dusty, but I'm gonna clean this. And here are the clips. I didn't broke anyone. 4 here down and 3 up there. One is already missing. Okay, now to put this fog lens out, there is one screw, Phillips screw down here. I have to unscrew it and to put here 2 clips out and to put the lens like this. So this is my next job. I'm gonna do it like this. Here it is. And now I have to unplug those 2 cables. So I unplugged those 2 cables here, and now just put the fog light out from the lens like this. And it's free. It looks in pretty good shape, although it's 32 years old, but anyway, I just wanted some yellow color to be more yellow fog, and I'm gonna fix this part too. So now let's go paint it. Now just use a very smooth sandpaper to try to sand just a little bit so the new color can get easily on and stay on. And after that, after cleaning, then we will color it. So I did the next step. I sand it with the sandpaper, and now I'm cleaning the lens so it can be very clean and no dust inside, so the new paint will stay on very good. This is how it looks when it's softly sanded. Here it is, the lens is now clean, and now I'm just heating the material so the new paint will stick on better because the material will be warm, and I think it's gonna look very nice. Clean, good. Just put one layer at a time and then try to heat it, and after that layer by layer, and when it's all painted then it's gonna be enough. Well, I think this is gonna be final result. Now I'm just a little bit pushing it to dry, and after that I'm gonna leave it for 4 hours to dry it naturally, and then I'm gonna put it back into headlight. I just wanted to use to be the fog light to be just like French cars had in 80s, those yellow fog lights in the bumper. I think they look cool. But anyway, in your country, when they're selling colors for cars, just buy some color spray. Let the dealer mix the color, the yellow color for you, just that you want, and easily you can spray it and do it yourself instead of buying those expensive fog lamps from Mercedes. It's unnecessary. The result is the same. If you want the looks, this is the way. Anyway, I'm not using my classic Mercedes on the fog time. I'm just driving it when it's warm in the summertime, so this is just for the looks, nothing else. Here is the result. Yeah, it looks cool. Yep, everything is nice. Yeah, good job. Well, after 4 hours I'm gonna put it in and I'm gonna show you the final result. Here it is, I'm back. This is already dry, looks amazing. I put it back wires on, and now I'm just gonna slide here in these clips. This is a little bit flexible, you see, it's moving. And now I'm gonna just try to put it in with one hand. Here we go. Here it is. It's in, fits perfectly. Here is a little bit of screw, Phillips screw. I'm just gonna tighten it back so this holds the fog at the place. And after that I'm gonna just put the glass on and I'm done. Okay, this is it. This is my new light. Perfect. Well, before putting this glass onto the headlight, I'm gonna clean it. That's my suggestion to you. Just clean this. This is 32 years old and it was never torn apart, so it's a little bit dusty. So I'm using a little brush and I'm gonna clean it and wipe it out. After that, I'm gonna put it in back. Well, when you're putting back the cover to the headlight, the process is the same. Don't rush, be gentle, heat a little bit these plastic clips so they won't break apart and you're gonna break something and that's not gonna be good. So take your time, be gentle, and you're gonna put it back without any damages. Here it is, the cover is on, and I just push a little bit. The one is already done. Second one. You hear that sound, that click? That means that it's fit in, like it fitted in perfectly. At the back, good, 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 no damages, and it's done. Yeah, excellent. It's inside, everything looks good, no clips were broken. This one already did. And let me see here. Good. Here it is. Yeah, this is the look that I wanted to have. The yellow fog inside. I just need to clean this stripe here. This is from the rust hood. The rust was falling this side, but I'm gonna clean that. That's no problem. And here it is, the final result. You can do it by yourself. It's not expensive. Just take your time, buy some colors at your dealership and workshop, and you're good to go. Perfect. Thanks for watching. Until the next project. Hi, this is my new project. Today I'm gonna show you how I did on my right side, but this is the left one, the left headlight from my Mercedes-Benz 190e. Today I want to change this fog focus, or lens anyway. I want it to be more yellow. This one is more, let me see, this one is more bronze and I don't like it. I don't like the color. So we will try to do it best and at the end we'll see how it goes.